Hello, in front of me I've got Amazon Luna. In this video I'll show you how to connect third-party controllers. In the beginning, let's go to Amazon Luna service and tap on controller. Right here you can select other controllers or phone controller. Let's start with other controllers. Follow instructions from the controller manufacturer to put it in pairing mode. Once your controller is in pairing mode, go to Bluetooth settings on your PC or device and select Add Bluetooth device. Now let's go to phone controller. In order to use your phone as controller, scan the QR code with your phone, install and open Luna controller app, launch the phone controller. The phone controller is free and fast way to play games on Luna quickly. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.